Welcome to Messy Garage. I am filming the intro to this video actually after I did the video. So I've already done what you're about to see me do, which is put a new exhaust on my 2020 Bobber 20. It's a mouthful. But what I went with was, I went with the Vance Hines 3-inch slash cut, and I took off the big potato cannons that come on it. So watch the video. I'm going to show you how I did it. Pretty easy job. The hardest part is getting the pipes off, the old ones, because they're just kind of on there really good. So watch the video. I'm also going to film an after sound. I've already got the one before I did the job, just so you can hear the bike go by, and I'm going to do that again with the pipes now on it. So enjoy the video. Hopefully you like the sound. It was very shockingly loud when I first did it. It was like 10 o'clock at night. Started it up, and I got a text message from one of my neighbors saying it sounds good. So that was a little iffy, but actually the sound's grown on me. It's loud, but it's a good kind of loud. So I highly recommend these, and watch me put them on, and then we'll watch the before and after of what they sound like. All right, enjoy. Okay, first step is we're going to loosen up these bolts holding the old mufflers on. Two bolts on the back side, but they come through here and here, but we're going to want to hit them from the back side here. You can see one of them right there. Just going to back them out. These are holding the muffler out of the support bracket, and we'll remove these two bolts. Alright, so once you have the bolts off, that's the fun part. Getting these off, you've got to wiggle them and pull. That takes forever.
One hour later.
Alright. Just show you that I am making progress. Kind of pain. I've got out this far. So just keep doing this and they will eventually come out. And I'll be right back after that happens. Okay, got the old pipes off finally. So next, take the plate that came with it. You're going to use the original hardware that you just took out that was holding the other pipes on, and you're going to put this bracket on, and there's two supplied nuts. They're going to be lock nuts. Put those on there for now. We're going to keep it loose at this moment and tighten it up when we get everything else together. At this point, we need to put the heat shields on the new mufflers. This is going to be the top one that has the Vance Hines logo. It's going to go to the back header. We're going to take this out of the box. Alright, so what this is the pipe and the heat shield. This one's already put together. I put the bands in there and attached them and cinched them down a little bit. It's not super tight at this point, but it is enough to hold it there for now. Do the same on this. Alright, so in here you're going to have these little guides that you want to put these bands in. So we're going to totally undo. These are just standard hose clamps. And what we want to do is have the screws pointing up when all's said and done. So we're going to feed it through. So we're going to feed this through this opening. See, it's going through there, and when it comes out the other side, it's going to look like this. So at that point we feed the pipe through it, clamp it down, and it holds it into place. Take our pipe, feed it in there. I'll show a little bit of the chrome out here, and then alright, looks like that when we're done. Okay, we've got one on but not tightened up right now. What we did is we put the barrel band on it. The instructions say to have this one, the bottom one, with the nut or the hex part of the bolt actually facing down so you can tighten it up. And it says this one you want to have facing up, so obviously for the same reason, so you can tighten it. And these take a little coaxing to get on, so I'll just let you know right now. Gotta loosen them up a lot, and like leave it to where it's only grabbing by a thread or two, and then try to work it over. That went on a lot easier than the bottom one. Alright, so once you get it on like that, it's still loose. What we want to do is we want to slide this over the header pipe. Now it looks like it's on there. Looks like it's lined up back here. So this is going to be the little brackets that are welded to the muffler have to line up with these brackets here, and then we're going to put some bolts in there. So these right here are what's going to slide in to the bracket on the back of the muffler, and then we're going to, from the back side, through the bracket we put on and through the bracket on the muffler, thread into these, and that will hold the muffler in place. So we can do that on the top and the bottom. And actually, I think it might be easier to do it with one muffler off. Got one threaded in. And right now you want everything a little sloppy so you have room to align everything. But alright, so far we've got this on there. It's loose still. We've got this bottom muffler attached to the bracket. It's also loose. And we've got this slipped on with the barrel band pointing down here at the bottom. And now we're ready to do the top. So we're going to do the same thing. We've got the barrel band nut facing upwards on this one. Just slide that in place. I left this heat shield a little loose for now just so I could get it adjusted right. Okay, again, I'm taking the short bolts and this dog bone shaped thing, sliding that in the bracket. Alright, so I'm going to go through, tighten everything down, and then we'll start it up. hope you like this video. The exhaust, I've had it on for probably 3 weeks now, and it grows on you the more and more you have it on. It sounds great. Doesn't sound wimpy anymore. It's just got a really good, nice sound, and you know, yeah, what can I say? I love it. So like and subscribe, and more content coming. Thanks a lot.